Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into the fascinating world of sleep tracking as we learn how to create a sleep tracker in Notion. First off, you'll need to open your Notion app. If you don't have it, it's a few clicks away on your app store. So why do we choose Notion? It's a versatile tool that lets you customize your own sleep tracker to your heart's content. Now that we've done that, let's create a new page. Click on the plus new page button, typically found at the bottom left corner. Give your page a name, something like My Sleep Tracker should do the trick. Creating a new page gives us a clean canvas to start tracking our sleep patterns. Next up, we're going to add a table. Click the plus Add a Block button and choose Table. This table will serve as the foundation of our sleep tracker. The reason we do this is because tables are easy to read, organize, and update. In this table, let's create columns for date, bedtime, wake-up time, hours slept, and quality. To do this, click on the plus Add a Column button and add these titles. This helps us because it allows us to track the necessary aspects of our sleep. Now, let's add some data. Click on the plus Add a Row button and start filling in the columns based on your sleep pattern. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You're creating a personal sleep database that can give you insights into your sleep habits. After we've filled in a few days' worth of data, let's make this tracker more visual. Click on the plus Add a Block button again, and this time choose Chart. Link this to your table and choose Hours Slept as the data to be displayed. This gives you a graphical representation of your sleep duration over time. Let me explain why this matters. Visual data can often be easier to interpret and can help you spot patterns or irregularities faster. Now that we've done all that, you've successfully created your very own sleep tracker in Notion. Remember, the secret lies in consistency. The more data you input, the better understanding you'll have of your sleep patterns. That's it for today's guide on creating a sleep tracker in Notion. Thank you for tuning in, and sweet dreams.